This is a valve repair video for all series of the EWM. The tools you will need for this repair include an impact wrench, a needle nose pliers, a round nose tool, a torque wrench, and a 14mm socket. Use an impact wrench with a 14mm socket attached to remove the valve cap. Use a needle nose pliers to remove the valve assembly. Use a round head tool to remove the O-ring. Use the round head tool to help disassemble the valve assembly. Inspect the parts of the valve assembly, including the O-ring, the seat, the poppet, the spring, the cage, the valve cap, and the valve cap O-ring. Replace any damaged parts. Inspect the manifold at the valve seat mating surface for any stepping, erosion, or damage, and replace the manifold if necessary. Reinstall the O-ring. Assemble the poppet and the spring onto the seat. Install the cage, snapping it into place. Put the assembled valve onto the valve cap, snapping it into place. Replace the assembled valve and valve cap. Tighten the valve cap using a torque wrench using the proper specs. Follow the same process to repair the inlet valve, but the inlet valve repair requires a 22mm socket for the inlet valve cap.